Hello there. I'm here with an Underwood portable 3-bank typewriter from the 1920s, and at first glance it seems to be in decent shape, but I do know that we're going to need to do some minor repairs. So for one thing, we need to replace the ribbon vibrator since it was completely detached from the machine when I got it, and the spindle is also missing from the right-hand ribbon spool holder, so we'll deal with that. We also need to reattach the drawband to the bottom of the carriage and reset the tension to the main spring. So stay tuned and hopefully I won't break anything.